The state government has been accused of putting the welfare of young people at risk after axing funds for child protection legal services. Hundreds of families rely on the services every year. Philippa McDonald has this exclusive report.
Anthony is paying the price of letting his family down when he was in the grip of ice addiction.
You'll find that most children, rightfully or wrongfully, still love their parents.
Now he's clean, he's desperately seeking time with his daughter, who is in the legal care of a relative.
You know what, I'd just like to be able to brush her hair and pack a school lunch, to be honest.
The Elizabeth Evatt Community Legal Centre in Katoomba is one of 12 at the front line of fraught cases like Anthony's.
The focus of what we try to do is in terms of early intervention and prevention, and what I mean by that is by keeping children in families and keeping families safe.
Women's Legal Service New South Wales, how can I help you today?
Across the state, community legal services received just over $400,000 to help 800 families each year. The Women's Legal Service gets a portion of that, but today all 12 services learnt that funding would be cut at the end of October.
More children will be more unsafe, more children will be losing connection with their families and their cultures. There will be more distress, homelessness and poverty as an outcome.
This year, the New South Wales Government will spend $2.2 billion on child protection. More than half of the money will be spent on taking children away from their families and out of home care. Less than 7%, or $150 million, will be spent on early intervention programs. Amy has had 3 of her children removed by family and community services.
I failed because I was in a domestic violence relationship.
Legal advice from her local community centre helped her negotiate with VACS to keep her 4th child.
They're great. They were a 6-week intervention, which was intensive, where they would come and stay 24 hours.
The Attorney-General says there's been record funding to community legal services and legal aid will fill the gap left by today's funding cuts. Philippa McDonald, ABC News.